From here, it's easy to see how big the job at harvest time is. And when harvest time comes, these thousands of acres, each field, each acre, each row, each plant, waits for no one. In today's grain market, it takes more than just growing a quality crop to be competitive. Delivering those high yields from the field to the bin is crucial to a profitable operation. And the best way to get more grain out of the field is with the Massey Ferguson 8570 rotary combine. Massey Ferguson's harvesting experience and advanced rotary combine technology maximizes reliability and profits from any operation by bringing together harvesting efficiency, ease of operation, and simplicity of design. At the front end of the Massey Ferguson 8570 rotary is a feeding system that offers a number of outstanding unique features that lead the industry. This is where harvesting efficiency starts, with even and consistent feeding. The 8570 ensures even feeding with a heavy-duty chain slat conveyor of alternating replaceable bolt-on U-channel slats that gently move the crop up the high-capacity elevator housing. The front drum floats between adjustable rubber stops as the crop consistency changes, maintaining a positive feed in heavy and light crop conditions. If a slug in the header or elevator is encountered, a hydraulic feeder reverser allows the operator to back material out of the throat and header without leaving the operator's seat, saving downtime and operator effort. A unique feature in the 8570's feeding system, and one that sets it apart from the competition, is the 17-inch diameter front beater. This beater performs two very important functions. First, it protects the rotor from stone damage by driving objects down into the stone trap, which dumps easily from the right side of the combine. Secondly, the front beater accelerates, fluffs, and evenly delivers the crop from the elevator to the rotor intake auger. A conical-shaped rotor inlet directs crop into the rotor intake auger, not only from underneath, but also on both sides, ensuring a gentle, uniform rotor feed, less crop damage, and less rotor and intake component wear. By comparison, the competition force feeds their rotors from the front, causing crop damage and excessive rotor and feed chain wear. The rotor assembly plays a key role in maximizing efficiency with a 27.5-inch diameter and a length of 140 inches. By comparison, the MF 8570 rotor is the longest in the industry, 22% longer than its closest competitor. This exceptional length maximizes multipass threshing and separation. The end result? Higher quality grain in the grain tank and greater machine capacity. Rotor operation can be divided into four main function areas. Beginning at the front is the intake, followed by the threshing, separating, and discharge. The intake begins with a 3-flight auger assembly that is hard-surfaced and bolted to the front of the rotor for easy service. The gentle feeding process of the front beater ensures a long maintenance-free life. As the crop leaves the intake auger, 3 large threshing elements or combs smooth out any bunches and begin the 8570's efficient threshing process. Next, 3 sets of rasp bars are positioned around the rotor to complete the threshing process. Threshing actually occurs between the rasp bars and the 7 sections of concaves located below. 2 configurations of concaves are available, one for corn and soybeans and the other for small grains. Both wrap 160 degrees around the rotor, providing over 20% more total threshing area than the competition. Concave to rasp bar clearance is easily adjusted from the left side of the combine and is shown by an indicator. When harvesting small grains or in conditions that may require additional threshing, up to 3 cover plates can easily be installed on the bottom of the concaves. These standard cover plates hold the crop to be threshed in the concave for a longer period of time, when more aggressive threshing is required. The 8570's control crop flow is a combination of the action of stationary vanes in the upper rotor shell, centrifugal force, and the rotor's exceptional length. Gentle threshing and greater separation capacity is achieved as crop rotates up to 5 times around the rotor. This uniquely gentle process provides adequate time for total threshing and separation before crop residue exits the back of the rotor. 3 rotor sweeps are located along the sides of the rear section of the rotor. The sweeps move the crop across 4 separator grates, where centrifugal force separates the remaining grain from the residue. separated grain drops onto the preparation floor of the cleaning system. In some weedy or viney crops, rotor knives are required to keep crop moving smoothly through the rotor process. 21 bolt-on knives are included on the rotor. Knives may be added or removed as conditions warrant. The patented direct rotor discharge provides the performance choices of allowing crop residue to fall directly on the ground into an optional straw spreader or straw chopper that easily slides back out of the way. This design does not require additional power-absorbing complicated drives to discharge the crop. The rotor drive is unique to the industry, as it is powered directly by a hydrostatic motor through a heavy-duty planetary drive gearbox. This powerful drive efficiently provides rotor speeds from 0 to 1,010 revolutions per minute on grain machines and 0 to 868 revolutions per minute on corn, soybean, and rice combines. And to make it easy for the operator, rotor speed can be quickly matched to the crop or conditions by turning a dial in the cab while monitoring the digital tack. Should heavy crops stop the rotor, the operator can simply rock the rotor in a reverse direction from the operator's seat. Once the rotor is cleared, harvesting can continue, saving valuable harvest time and operator effort. Final cleaning and separation occurs under the rotor, where adjustable deflectors direct the crop onto the grain pan and into the shoe area. The reciprocating motion of the grain pan assists with separation and moves the crop to the cleaning system. Airflow from a 27 5/8-inch diameter fan carries the lighter chaff material out the rear of the combine, while allowing the heavier grain to drop through the chaffer assembly. Fan speed is easily adjusted and monitored from inside the cab, ensuring optimum performance at all times. Total cleaning area is an incredible 6,425 square inches, with 3,636 square inches for the chaffer and 2,664 square inches in the lower sieve. All this cleaning area provides exceptional cleaning performance. Tailings requiring additional threshing are returned to the auger area of the rotor, repeating the process. Clean grain is moved quickly by the high-capacity, 10-inch wide clean grain elevator to the large 227-bushel grain tank. Grain samples are easily checked from this convenient opening near the cab door, reducing sample time and wasted grain. The fold-down extensions not only add capacity, but improve storage clearance. The 8570's long turret-style unloading auger has plenty of clearance for 25 and 30-foot tables and empties the tank at a rate of 2 bushels per second. Adding to the operator's convenience, the unloading auger swing is operated hydraulically by an electric switch located on the ground speed control lever. The auger is easily engaged with a lever placed to the left of the operator in a natural position for easy operation. When Massey Ferguson started developing the rotary combine design, they made simplicity of design and maintenance a top priority. This is one time when less means more. Compare the MF8570 to the competition, and you quickly see from the front to the back, top to the bottom, under every access panel, the Massey Ferguson Rotary has incorporated fewer drives, fewer belts, fewer chains, and fewer grease fittings. Some competitors have as many as 25 main machine drive belts, compared to only 11 belts on the 8570. Notice the number of high-wear open gear drives, power-robbing gearboxes, and drive shafts with universal joints used by the competition. The 8570 only has 2. Some of the others have as many as 16. With fewer drives, Massey Ferguson quickly lowers the horsepower absorbed and reduces the number of items to service. Precise control of the rotor operating speed is through an efficient hydraulic motor, using only one small variable speed drive pulley to control the cleaning fan. All of the competition uses at least 2 high-maintenance, costly variable speed pulleys to drive their rotor or cylinder. The grain pan used in the 8570 rotor efficiently handles large volumes of grain without grain-damaging augers used by many competitors. What does this simplicity of design add up to? Besides fewer parts to wear and less horsepower absorption, it means less maintenance. Most combines have more than twice as many grease fittings than the MF8570. However, when you have a machine with an exceptional threshing system, tremendous capacity, and unique drive systems, you must be sure the power is available to put these features to use and keep them productive under the toughest of conditions. The Massey Ferguson 8570 is powered by a Cummins C-Series diesel engine, turbocharged and aftercooled, providing outstanding backup power, economical performance, and reliable long life. This Power Boost equipped engine is rated at 240 horsepower at 2200 RPM. If conditions demand and the engine RPM is pulled below 2200, horsepower increases to 250 horsepower at 2000 RPM, getting you through those heavy crops and tough conditions with ease. Traction control is key when you're operating large, high-capacity equipment. The 8570 offers proven reliability with a Sauer Sunstrand high-torque hydrostatic drive system. The hydrostatic motor mounts directly with a heavy-duty constant mesh 4-speed transmission. The transmission allows matching of speed and torque requirements to all field conditions. And the convenient location of the hydrostatic control lever takes the strain out of those long days at harvest. To ensure power is transmitted efficiently to the ground, a heavy-duty Bull Gear planetary combination final drive is used. These units are proven with a reliable long-life design and incorporate large double-disc brakes on the input shaft for smooth, even braking. The rear axle of the combine is available in the standard adjustable design or with the factory-powered assist option. Depending on the option selected, a variety of wheel and tire designs are available to match field requirements. Another major feature that makes the MF 8570 combine stand out among the competition is the hydraulic system. An efficient closed-center, pressure flow compensated hydraulic system is used and is designed to reduce horsepower requirements and heat while maximizing operator convenience and control. The main hydraulic system is supplied by a large engine-mounted axial piston load-sensing hydraulic pump. The pump supplies up to 28 gallons per minute and has a maximum pressure setting of 2,500 pounds per square inch. Hydraulic flow as required is applied to efficient electric over hydraulic control valves. Operator comfort is a key component in developing a complete combine package. The controls must be easy to use, correctly placed, and in an environment that is both comfortable and quiet. Massey Ferguson has addressed all of these areas, starting with 7-way adjustable operator seat and buddy seat with storage compartment, tilt steering column, exceptional view of header and field through tinted glass, large 17,000 BTU air conditioner and 13,000 BTU heater, and all operating controls and monitors are conveniently placed for easy operation. An hour, a day, or a week of operation in the 8570 cab will quickly convince every operator that proper design makes a big difference in comfort. The 8570 provides all the features necessary to make the operator as productive as possible. Features like automatic header height control with a state-of-the-art electronic header height system easily adjusted from inside the cab, and automatic reel or pickup speed control, where hydraulic flow is automatically varied to the reel drive or pickup drive motor, maintaining the same speed ratio, even though ground speed may change. Plus, an optional reel fore and aft control, allowing the operator to hydraulically move the reel on the go to the most efficient position regardless of crops and conditions. A 15-channel machine and engine monitor includes a digital readout with 6 selections and engine hour meter, and a grain loss monitor indicates any increase in shoe losses from the left and right side. All standard equipment to keep the operator fully informed of the machine's performance. Massey Ferguson has always designed equipment with easy maintenance and quick access as a top priority, and the 8570 is an outstanding example. Every level of detail has been provided for quick service, from the large bulk-style fuel inlet, convenient engine access, easy-to-service radiator and rotary screen air intake, convenient rotor access panels on both sides of the combine, cab roof access to heater, air conditioning, and light switches, and console door access to fuses, relays, and circuit breakers. These are just a few of the features that make the MF 8570 so easy to maintain and service. A high-capacity efficient combine relies on the grain header and corn head to supply the amount of crop required to maximize productivity. Massey Ferguson has accomplished this with high-performance corn heads and a line of rigid, flexible cutter bar and pickup headers engineered to smoothly supply crop to the combine. Header frames are made of a welded double beam assembly for strength, and feeding is enhanced by a large 24-inch auger with 4-inch deep auger flighting. The Massey Ferguson 9700 rigid headers are available in 20, 25, and 30-foot widths, with a special 13-foot pickup version for swathed crops. Headers may be factory ordered with a bat-type reel, ML pickup reel, or no reel, allowing for easy mounting of other specialty reels. For headers that shave the ground, Massey Ferguson offers the 9750 flexible cutter bar headers in 18, 20, and 25-foot widths. These are available with the ML pickup reel or without a reel for installation of other specialty reels. The 9750 headers use 3 sensors to accurately follow the changing ground contour, automatically adjusting table height for minimum header losses and maximum productivity. Both the 9750 flexible cutter bar and the 9700 rigid headers use a 1.5-inch pitch knife with a full 3-inch stroke for 4 cuts per stroke, ensuring a complete cut in any crop condition. Bolt-on knife sections allow quick and easy service to keep the knife in top condition. The 800 series corn heads are exceptional performers. Their low profile and 23-degree angle snapping units reduce ear losses and allow them to efficiently handle down crops. They are available in 4-row wide, 6-row narrow, 6-row wide, and 8-row narrow and wide. All corn headers are of toolbar design. Wide row headers are factory set at 36-inch row spacing and may be adjusted to 38 inches. Narrow row headers are factory set at 30 inches and may be adjusted from 28 to 32 inches, depending on the model. These corn heads are quickly adaptable to specific conditions with quick attach horizontal and vertical ear savers, all standard equipment. The heavy-duty cast 6-edge stalk rolls are kept clean in the worst conditions with hardened vine knives that prevent wrapping, plugging, and downtime. All these heavy-duty features are wrapped into an easily maintained package with stripper plates that can be initially adjusted individually, then fine-tuned as a unit in the field with one easy adjustment by simply turning a square shaft on the left side of the header. Topping it off, the chains and drives are all tucked away behind hinge shields for quick, easy access. Massey Ferguson also offers the new, unique, high-performance 6000 series stripper header in 20 and 22.5-foot widths. These headers set new standards in grain harvesting productivity. Unique comb-like stripper elements replace the traditional cutter bar. This stripper head removes the seed of the plant, leaving most of the stalk standing in the field. We are so proud of the new revolutionary Harvest Hustler headers that a video has been made showing in detail specific operation and product information. Supporting the performance of the Massey Ferguson harvesting equipment is a full network of harvesting experienced Massey Ferguson dealers with trained service technicians, complete warranty protection, and a vast replacement parts inventory to keep you going. Massey Ferguson can even help with financing through AgriCredit Acceptance Company. A complete selection of flexible financial support packages can be designed to match any equipment need. This exceptional full-featured rotary combine adapts well to all crops through designed-in performance. From the heart of the combine with the longest rotor in the industry and unique intake, to the unmatched cleaning and separation areas, to all the simplicity features of the drive and hydraulic systems, and ease of maintenance. Add them all up and it makes operating the 8570 comfortable, efficient, and cost-effective. Massey Ferguson has the best rotary combine package on the market today.